How to use secret conversation on Facebook Messenger. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Messenger on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the chat where you want to start secret conversation. Then at the top, click on their name. After you click on their name at the top, you'll find different options. Simply scroll down in here and you will find Go to Secret Conversation. Click on Go to Secret Conversation. After that, it will open a new page. You can chat in here. Then after you go back, you will find two chats in the same person's name. One of them is the original chat and the second one is Secret Conversation. And this is how to use secret conversation on Facebook Messenger. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.